FeyXsas. It's a gas leak detector. I'm going to demonstrate, show you what it's about. You get everything here. USB-C compliance cable, the meter reader, Audible 75 dBn visual lights to show detection of gas, and the instruction manual to go over for more clarity. On the side of the unit, we're going to plug in a cable, charge the unit, make sure it sits in there firmly. It lights up and charges. It is in a red color. On the lower right is the charging window. When completed, the lights may go off. This is the unit, a close-up shot at the sniffer, the visual window and lighted area, the on and off and high and low, and the USB-C charging port area, the clip, and the design. The 75 dB decibel is inside the unit. Turning the unit on is simply hitting the on button, allowing the unit to start up and initiate. 30 seconds is needed to use the unit. It should give a double beep when set. As it breathes, it's setting up. We are ready to use the unit. We have a propane lighter that there is gas, and you see how it works. It detects the gas, as simple as that. The unit now clears and ready for the next test. A close-up shot again. I can't hear the beep, but it goes rapidly. When the unit detects a gas leak, it'll rapidly give beeps. And when resets, it'll give a single beep ready to go. Listen. As it clears, the beep slows down and ready for the next use. We're going over to the stove to demonstrate a leak. Butane, propane for barbecues, RVs, campers, and regular gas. Come over to the gas area, simply sniff around. If there is a gas leak or the gas is on, or if the gas is over here on, it detects when gas is not lit. This is a gas leak detector. Commercial grade detectors will detect leaks. This will give you an idea if there is any leaks in your gas areas that will sniff out. Methane. Methane gas for sewers if any leaks are detected over here. If you press on the green button, it is a low measure. It is a light for high and low, high and low, and visual. Boiler areas where gas lines are at. For gas dryers, if applicable. Patio areas that you need to measure gas if leaking, or barbecues. This is a gas meter for those needs where you want to detect if you got a gas leak and why things are leaking. I hope you enjoy your gas leak protector. It is simple to turn off by a long press, and when you're ready to use again, allow it to set up for 30 seconds and you're ready to go. Thank you for viewing.